5 वर्षों में हमने बहुत कुछ इतिहास बदला, एक आम महिला होने का भारत में एहसास बदला। पुराना कर दिया हमने, पुराना कर दिया हमने आश्रिता रहने वाली बात को और निखार दिया कई घरों की माली हालात को। जो पहले रिचार्ज मांगती थी, वो अब मोबाइल गिफ्ट करती है। सिर्फ पापा का ये फर्ज नहीं, बच्चों की फीस अब मम्मी भी भरती है। Hi everyone, this is Ravish Chaube and I work as the Senior Director of Marketing at Meesho. Some of you might be familiar with me because you might have seen me in different celebrations or you might have found me chasing you for different work. But then another hidden side of me is that I do write a few kavitas, and I think in recent past I have written some for Meesho which a lot of you liked, and it was a really precious appreciation for me. And I cannot wait to talk about poetry and my passion for it in this edition of Meesho's Got Talent. Because I was raised in a very usual household where the dream was always to become a professional and become an engineer and then a very typical MBA. And that has worked out well for me. I love my job as a digital marketer. But apart from that, the poetry was more like a corner where I used to escape from the daily hubbub of or daily pressure or daily activities. Last I remember I started dabbling in poetry was in class 9th, and that's when I was not writing new poems, but I was kind of modifying what I came across and what was written by poets and started presenting them in school. And then college happened, and in college I was mostly writing dramas and some amount of poetry. So it has been an on and off thing. And you have someone like Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, Makhanlal Chaturvedi, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. So I've read most of these, and I can't forget mentioning Premchand was not exactly a poet, but again inspired me a lot in terms of Hindi literature. Then there are these new age poems, some of them which I like a lot. So some of the key names there are Ashok Chakradhar, Kumar Vishwas, then there is Surendra Sharma, and a lot of them fall into Hasya Kavita category. What happened is I had an interest in poetry, and somewhere it was lost in all the daily work and how busy you are. And suddenly this call came, you have to present something because today we are celebrating our 5th anniversary. Now, the obvious thing which came to my mind was, why don't I write a poem for the occasion? And when I presented it, I personally got so much encouragement that it kind of reminded me how much pleasure I used to get out of this whole thing. And I started writing again. This is one of the recent ones, and why I really liked it is because somewhere we all have made life quite complex, and that's what I have tried to capture in this poem. And so I'll just read it, and then I will keep explaining a bit in between. लेटे हुए अपने पलंग पर आधी रात निकल जाती है, कुछ टीस पुरानी यादों की है, तो कुछ आने वाली कल की चिंता, अब वैसी नींद कहाँ आती है। था एक जमाना जब शामें भी आया करती थी। If you see, now we go from morning to night directly. So था एक जमाना जब शामें भी आया करती थी, हम खेलते रहते थे और माँ पकड़ के लाया करती थी। खुशियां हमें 10-20 रुपए की टॉफी पेन में ही मिल जाया करती थी। अब वैसी खुशी लाखों की गाड़ी में भी कहाँ मिल पाती है। सिक्के जोड़ने की फिक्र में अब वैसी नींद कहाँ आती है। Yes, definitely. Because what did happen is that there was no commute, and mornings were slightly more relaxed. And I am a morning person, so in the morning, and I think one even bigger contributor was that I didn't have to send my kids to school. So with that, what happened is that mornings were relatively free, and I could focus on writing in the morning. This is about my passion for poetry. And before we sign off for the day, there are some of my favorite lines from Rashmi Rati, and those of you who are interested in Hindi poetry and haven't read it, and these are my favorite lines because these lines have given me a lot of strength whenever things are not going your way or you are feeling overpowered by circumstances. It goes like this: कवच कुंडल गया पर प्राण तो है, भुजा में शक्ति धनु पर बाण तो है, गई एक अग्नि तो सब कुछ गया क्या, बचा मुझ में नहीं कुछ भी नया क्या। समर की सूरता साकार हूं मैं, महामार्तंड का अवतार हूं मैं, विभूषण वेद भूषित कर्म मेरा, कवच है आज तक का धर्म मेरा। तपस्याओं उठो रण में गलो तुम, नई एक अग्नियां बनकर ढलो तुम, अरियो सिद्धियों की आग आओ, प्रलय का तेज बन मुझ में समाओ। So whenever you are feeling down, I strongly recommend pick up this book and read this chapter from Rashmi Rathi. Gives you a lot of strength. Team has covered many amazing talented Mishoites previously as well. So make sure you go to their YouTube channel and check all those videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.